Hello, carpet cleaning CEOs. Just want to talk to you a minute about how you retain your customers. Something I get every month from my hometown Ace Hardware is a small coupon, and it happens every single month. Just before the month begins, we get their next offer. It's something small. It's $5. It's just their way of getting in front of our eyes to remind them that, hey, we're here if you need anything. And that's exactly what we do as a carpet cleaning business. I use a platform, a CRM known as Setmore. You can go to setmore.com. It's totally free. You can buy their paid app. But honestly, their free app is beautiful. It works great. They even give you a link that you can put on your website for online scheduling. So it's really cool. Anyway, so we send out the great news about Setmore or a CRM platform is you get to download all your customer data at the end of the month. That means you download your customer's name, address, phone number, email, blah, blah, blah. And then you cut and paste that into your MailChimp or whatever email platform marketing you've got going. MailChimp is also free up to 2,000 customers. So, again, cheap and free. That's the way to go. You download your information from your customers every month, from the previous month before, upload it into your MailChimp. Of course, if they agree to your receiving their emails, and then you send them an email at the beginning of the month with a small deal, just like Ace Hardware does with me, $5 off for whatever I need. I don't know what your deal would be. This month we're running $50 off for any invoice $250 or more. That's 20% savings. That's great. It's our off season, so we're really scratching to make ends meet. Of course, in the winter or summertime, when business is kicking, we don't offer that. We just send out a hey, hope your summer's going great, just to keep in front of them. It's all about being in front of them continuously, if that makes sense. Not all the time, but we send out one email in the beginning of the month with a special on it, and then we send out a mid-month email as a reminder of that special. And here's the interesting about these emails. We've had customers contact us from 2 years prior from an email that they've gone into their Gmail, they just searched Everclean, they found the email, and they just replied back, hey, Brandon, can you set up an appointment for Tuesday for carpet cleaning? So the emails do a couple things. It retains your customers from shopping because you're giving them a little bit of a deal for being a past customer. But also it allows them to keep in touch with you if they need anything. If they're savvy with email, they just go in, search your name, they pull the email up, and they ask the question, and you've got a job. It's happened twice this very week. So great way to retain your customers, great way to grow your business. We offer, by the way, a referral reward for any customer of ours who refers another new customer. We give them a $20 check. Our average ticket is around $250. That's about a 10%. No, it's a 15% acquisition, I think it is. And we mail them a check for $20, and we're happy with that because that's 8% cost of advertising. That's very fair. But anyway, Setmore.com is a great platform. As I said, you can get an online link for customers to schedule online. And then, of course, you get their customer data. You can upload that to your email marketing and keep in touch with these people. And it's all about keep in touch and offering them a little bit of a discount to come back to you. And so far this winter, it's really kept us going. I mean, we're not knocking it out, but hey, I'm keeping the vans moving. So, my name is Brandon Branco. I've got a carpet cleaning business down in Nashville, Tennessee. I live up in the Chicagoland area. We make a product called You're Out. This is for residential customers we sell on Amazon. But you can also buy this in a contractor pack and sell these to your customers if you have all the license set up, of course. We sell a dozen of these, I want to say for $119 on our website, youroutodor.com. I think I've got the price down to $9.99 each, so they sell for $20 on Amazon. You double your money. Nice little add-on for your technicians to make commission on, or for you to make a little more money. But youroutodor.com, a dozen contractor pack. We also sell these in 32-ounce bottles for professionals, as well as gallons. 1 gallon of this stuff, very concentrated. You see, this 8-ounce container makes a gallon of ready to use. Our gallon of Year Out makes up to 20 gallons of ready-to-use enzyme. It's spore form enzyme, not like the stuff you're buying at your distributor. Okay, this is actually spores. These are not activated enzyme that you ready to use that you go in and start splashing. No, this is spore form. So just 1 ounce of this stuff makes up to 16 ounces of ready-to-use enzymatic cleaner. So buy this at youroutodor.com. If you have any questions, if you've got something going on that's better than me, you can put me to shame, man. I want to hear it. I want to grow my business this year. And so the only way I can do that is to give as much information to you all. And if you have any better ideas, I'd love to hear it. So Brandon at Carpet Cleaning CEO, let's hear from you. Take care.